Good afternoon, Con here with Techout, and today we're going to be talking about my Galaxy Z Fold 4 that I got from Plug.tech. I've been seeing them all over YouTube here recently on their shorts, and they sell pre-owned certified devices. They're not refurbished, they are pre-owned, they're cleaned, and they're inspected, and then resold at a discount. So this is the Galaxy Z Fold 4, and it is in excellent condition. They have 3 different conditions on there. They have excellent, good, and eco-friendly. Eco-friendly meaning it's going to have a lot of wear and tear, maybe a few dents or a few scratches, but they say that a case will likely cover that up. Good is just going to be 1 to 2 minor scratches, and then excellent is going to be, it looks like a brand new phone. That's what I got here. I paid $489 for this Galaxy Z Fold 4, 512 gigabytes in green, and it is unlocked. It is a U1 model, so it is factory unlocked. This is the box that came in right here. It's just a plain white box. This is what they ship most of their phones in. It did come in another larger box, excuse me, with a free pop socket. And this is exactly how I got the phone right here, just in the box like this. If you order an iPhone, they do have some custom packaging for those, and there will be foam inside. But for this one, that was not the case. I've been using this all day. I've already set it up and everything like that. And then underneath, I did get a SIM ejector and a charger. And it is actually a fast charger, so it does charge it at fast charging speeds. So it did come with that, which is nice because originally the phone did not come with a charger at all. So there's that. I did put a screen protector on the outside already, but just looking at the phone, it is in excellent condition, I would say. I do have to agree with them there. There's no scratches on the back glass. The sides are in great condition as well. All sides of the phone. The screen under the screen protector is in great condition. The only thing I have to say about this is the inside screen. The normal pre-installed screen protector from the factory has been removed. Now that being said, there is no screen damage whatsoever. There's just a few fingerprints on it because, like I said, I've been using it today. So I'm not too upset about that because I usually take the factory one off anyway and use a Whitestone Dome one, which I've already ordered. So just one thing to point out, I don't know if that was removed during their inspection process and they just saw that it was dirty or whatever and they took it off, but it is not there. It doesn't look like the phone has been really used without it for any long period of time because, like I said, besides some fingerprints from me using it today, there's no scratches or indentations in the plastic screen or anything like that. So there's no damage whatsoever. The hinge is nice and stiff. It feels just fine. No issues or concerns there. It did have a little bit of a plasticky sound when you opened it. But looking at the phone, I think this phone has been sitting closed for a while, and that sound is kind of diminished over time after some use today. But when I got this phone, it was on the August 2023 update, so I did have to go through September, October, November, December, January, February, and then we're on March. So I had to do all those updates one by one, doing it on the phone. So it was not up to date, and it was completely dead. So I'm pretty sure this phone has been sitting either in their warehouse for a while, or they had just gotten it in from somebody else that had had it for a while, because most of their phones do come from carrier trade-ins and stuff like that. So this phone's been unused for a while, which is a good thing because obviously the battery is going to be pretty healthy. I've been using it all day today, and I'm down to 42%, so I didn't have any issues with battery, and today is the first day I've used it, so on the initial setup, battery life is still doing very good, which I'm happy about, because that's one thing I was concerned about with a Samsung. You can't really see the battery health other than it saying good or weak. You can't see the percentage like you can on an iPhone. But for $489, the Galaxy Z Fold 4, I would say, is a great, great deal. If you go on like Swappa, a good to fair condition one, 512, is going to run you about $450 to $500, and a excellent condition is going to run you probably $600-ish, just depending on if you can work with the seller or not. This one, like I said, $489, comes with a 1-year warranty, and then I was able to also purchase on their website a $45 1-year accidental damage protection plan. So if I drop it, crack it, the screen breaks, something like that, that will be covered under that. And then if there's any mechanical issues, if anything breaks, stuff like that, Plug.tech does offer a 1-year warranty on all their devices. So very, very happy with the purchase. I can say between this and the Fold 5, you're saving a lot of money getting one pre-owned like this. And I was worried coming from my S24 Ultra that it was going to be noticeably slower, or the performance was going to be a lot worse. And I can say now that I've updated to One UI 6 and it's on Android 14, there's no performance issues whatsoever. Everything is running just fine. Like I said, I've been using my S24 Ultra for a month, and there really was no noticeable difference in my opinion. Obviously, the Fold doesn't have the best battery life just in general compared to the S24 Ultra, but hardware-wise, specifically on this phone, it's just fine. But that's the only thing getting used to, is you don't get as much battery as you do out of the S24 Ultra on the Fold 4. But Plug.tech, highly recommend. First order from them was a great experience. Maybe I'll try, excuse me, maybe I'll try some other stuff in the future and see what we get. But very, very good deal in my opinion. $489. The 512 would have been almost $2,000 just a year and a half ago. So great deal in my opinion. If you want to get into the foldable game, you can get yourself something like this. It's not too old. It's still up to date. It's still going to be up to date for a couple years. And you can spend less than $500. I mean, you can't even get, a mid-range Android is going to run you about that. So the fact you can get a foldable like this from them, that's inspected, 1-year warranty, very, very good deal. I'll leave a link down in the description. I'm not an affiliate or anything with them. They didn't send this out or anything. I did pay for this, so I'm not receiving anything from the link down below or anything like that. It is just a good deal in my opinion. So check that out. I am Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.